Hey everyone, Bruce here. I just wanted to put together a quick video that shows you how you can take a PHP script that you run from XAMPP or your local web server or from any web server that's not connected really to the internet, that's not running on the internet, and validate the HTML. So here's the sticky form example, okay, and I just brought up the page and we have the 3 input fields and a submit button. Now, to see the HTML generated by the PHP file, you right-click and view page source, and your browser may be something else. So there's the HTML that my PHP script generated, right? That's kind of the, that's what got generated. Just realize that in this particular example, there's nothing really dynamic going on here, right? But then again, my PHP script generated this HTML. Let's just roll with that for now, okay? And now I can just highlight that code, right-click, copy it, go to validator.w3.org, click on the tab that says Validate by Direct Input, and paste in that HTML code, not PHP code, HTML code, the resultant HTML code after you run the script, and you hit check, and all of my HTML is valid. If there were an error, if your HTML script maybe forgot to close a tab, a tag or something like that, then you'd probably see an error here. Let me just go back here and see if there's just anything else, any other script that I have. I'm doing this on the fly. Lab 3. Let's see, lab3.html. So this was, that's an HTML. I don't want that. Let me just look to see what I have here. By the way, localhost. 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 CTEC 228. Another course I teach. And let me just look here to see if I have something. New York Times.php. Okay. Okay, here is this is a student's code. Not a good example. Let me find another one here. NYT, this is probably mine. NYT.php. Okay. So here's a PHP script, okay, that we did in the CTEC 228 class. It ran, it went out and talked to the New York Times, and now I'm just going to click on View Page Source, and it's a lot of HTML here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to the validator. I'm going to go to Validate by Direct Input, paste in all that HTML code, and check it. And it works. My code was valid. That's pretty good. It should be because it was my code, right? So that's the way you validate the HTML that gets generated by your PHP script.